Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and here's why. What up, though? Welcome to Hate by Design. I'm FaShon VEGA, and this is Tip Minute Tuesday. Hate by Design is a channel where we explore what is design, who are designers, who is it for, and who needs it most. In Tip Minute Tuesday, we explore a tip or hack that will help you enhance your quality of life so you can be more productive and see more wins in your day, month, quarter, year. I want to thank you for coming. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new content. We release this video weekly. Please follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Instagram is where you can engage with me regularly. I'm always on Instagram, whether working with clients or just posting awesome pictures. Twitter is where I rant about design. I'm fairly engaged with the YouTube community there. Ring the notification bell and let's dive. Today's topic is eating, specifically breakfast, and why you would never want to miss breakfast again. We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. A lot of us never heard the facts, whether our parents told us or we heard it in school or we hear other people talking about it. But we've never really kind of looked at the science behind it. And we're going to do a small dive on a few reasons on why you might never want to miss breakfast again. Breakfast is something that jumpstarts our day. Our body needs fuel to perform, and depending on what type of activities, physical and mental, that we perform in the day, we need a certain amount of nutrients, a certain level of energy to keep going to promote healthy behavior, thoughtful behavior, and keep us on the right path of being successful. And I've given you 8 steps so far to help you be successful through the day, to win your morning. Eating healthy on a time schedule to help your body understand that you're going to take care of it, that it can trust you, is paramount. It's principle. First reason why you might want to make sure you don't skip breakfast is breakfast will boost your metabolism. This is important because you want your body to be processing, digesting your food, and storing and using the energy properly throughout the day and when you're sleeping. 2, a balanced morning breakfast will help regulate your sugar levels throughout the day. And for somebody like me, who is a type 2 diabetic, that's extremely important. 3, a healthy breakfast will help reduce hunger and unnecessary cravings throughout the day. 4, having breakfast helps you stay fuller longer and help control your calories throughout the day, in turn helping you to control your weight. 5, studies have shown that people who eat breakfast consume more vitamins, minerals, and fibers throughout the day. And people who skip breakfast tend to have lower energy levels overall. 6, a healthy, balanced morning meal is not only important for the body, but extremely important for the brain. Jim Quick has a list of foods that he calls brain food to really keep your brain healthy, prepare it to learn faster, and retain memory. Eating a healthy breakfast helps you maintain your concentration and productivity throughout the day. 7, people who skip breakfast often have less energy to do physical activities and mental activities. That means staying focused, remembering small tasks, or being able to perform at peak levels continuously through the day. 8 is something that I think we all suffer from when we miss meals or don't regulate our energy. And that's that not eating breakfast will actually increase your chances of having mood swings, not being in a proper state of mind, not being pleasant, not being the fantastic you that you usually are. So eating breakfast will in fact help you be that much closer to be a pleasant person, more pleasant, enjoyable team member. 9 shows that skipping breakfast in fact influences your ability to have a better memory. As you know, memory retention is something extremely important to me, and everything that I'm doing is trying to get a better memory overall. I don't want to do anything that's going to encourage it to be worse. 10, people who skip breakfast are much more likely to become overweight and face higher risk of serious health problems. For example, type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease, to name a few. So for me, as you can see, These are 10 solid, not all the reasons, but these are 10 solid reasons on why you should not, if controllable, skip breakfast. It's extremely important. I try to eat between a certain window in the morning. As a type 2 diabetic, I try to eat between 8 and 9. I do this because I want to jumpstart, I want to set the tone for how I'm going to perform today. I want to feed my body. I want it to trust me, to know that I'm going to take care of it. It doesn't have to store unnecessary fats or sugars that will harm us later. So let's see what Avi has to say about breakfast. But before that, let's go pick up the 1-year suit. All right, so we're headed into 1701 Bespoke down in Detroit, Michigan with my homie Keith Mocker. Man, let me tell you, boy got the juice, put his hands on the suit, and now we're about to get together. Peace, brother. Appreciate you, man. Woo! Look at me. I'm fancy now. Look at that, custom fitted. My man got me together. This the coolest place in the city. Come get dressed, man. Woo! Ran into Max. Showed him the QR codes. And now we go see Lodi. I think I'm gonna throw this suit on though. Okay, so we know that you eat breakfast most days. What's your favorite breakfast to eat?
Pancakes.
Pancakes. I'm here for pancakes. What else? You like to eat anything else with pancakes?
Eggs and sausage.
Eggs and sausage. Pancakes, eggs, and sausage. Why would you say it's important to eat breakfast every day?
Because it gets you running, it helps you stay focused, and it helps you be proactive.
Sound good to me? Anything you want to say to YouTube people?
Live good and don't waste your time.
Solid. Blow it up. So, quick recap. We explored a few reasons on why it's so paramount and important to never miss breakfast if you can control that, and the benefits you gain from it and how it can enhance your quality of life. I hope this information was valuable to you guys and that it will encourage you to engage in breakfast and make breakfast a friend, and therefore making meals and food a friend, incorporating a healthy eating habit into your lifestyle, and therefore allowing you to be a better person, have a better attitude. And if you have peace, we have peace. Avi's tip, eating breakfast helps you stay focused and proactive. It amazes me that she's 9. Again, subscribe if you haven't already. If you find this information valuable, please like it, share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Share it with a friend, comment. Besides that, remember, lead strong, think now, be great. And as always, define, design, repeat.